Spread your wings. We speak of finding ourselves as though the self were an object misplaced in the attic of the mind. Yet spiritual discovery is not recovering a lost possession. It is recognizing what has been speaking and choosing through us without examination. A thought enters the mind and says, I. Because it uses our own voice, we bow before it. We call its fear our caution, its appetite our need, and its anger our truth. But the place where a thought appears is not proof that it deserves command. This is where Gnosis begins. Thomas places the kingdom within us and around us, then observes that people do not see it. The divine has not gone into hiding. Our attention has been trained to look everywhere except at the forces shaping the one who looks. Discernment turns that attention inward. It is the quiet ability to notice a thought before becoming its servant. Ask, if I follow this voice, what will it make of me? Will it lead toward truth, mercy, courage, and God, or narrow life through fear, vanity, resentment, and appetite? Modern cognitive practice offers a useful discipline. Catch the thought, name its demand, and test it before acting. This is a tool for the path. The discovery remains spiritual because the deeper question is whether the thought serves the life God is calling forward. Now, consider the wingsuit pilot standing at the edge of the mountain. Flight does not begin by denying gravity or cursing the wind. It begins with understanding. The pilot studies the current, disciplines the body, and meets resistance at the proper angle. The very force that could throw him downward becomes the force that bears him across the sky. So it is within us. Inner peace does not mean the winds have stopped. It means we are no longer commanded by every gust. Fear may speak, desire may pull, anger may rise, but discernment gives the spirit room to choose. And then something remarkable occurs. We cease living merely to avoid the fall. What fear kept folded begins to open. We become something we had never been before, not because a foreign self has been added, but because the life hidden beneath obedience has finally been permitted to rise. Spiritual ascension is not an escape from the earth. It is a clearer way of moving upon it. When that freedom is first known, it feels strangely familiar, like arriving at the place where your spirit should have stood all along. The wind was never the final enemy. Unconscious obedience was. Learn what moves through you. Discern what deserves you. Then, spread your wings.